Hello friends, welcome to the Laptex. My name is Nasir and today we have Asus ROG gaming motherboard, and in this motherboard we have issue that core voltage is missing. So let me inject the DC jack into the motherboard and you will notice what is the total load. Yes, turn on 0250. So this is the very low load, and if you check on the schematic, as per the power sequence, everything would be okay except your core. But before core, you always have to remember that there is the one helping supply which is known as the VCC-SA. But the most dangerous thing in this motherboard, let me show you, that I have noticed that someone has tried to mm, remove its paste. This is the metal paste, and many good engineers of India, they always recommend that if you don't have any idea that how to clean or use the metal paste uh, on the CPU, then you should avoid. See here, there is a mark of the metal paste. Somebody has tried to clean it, but unfortunately it has come on the motherboard and it is moving now. See, it's moving now. Now as it goes inside the CPU, it will touch two pin and it will short, because there is a conductivity on this metal paste. This is the cooling paste. Okay, metal cooling paste. Usually it comes by default from the company, but you should avoid to clean it if you have no idea. So everywhere on the motherboard I have cleaned many areas, but still I am finding, like, see here, you can notice here it is moving here and there. So you have only option to collect in one place, and with the help of blade and or some sharp object you can remove from motherboard. It's not coming out. Okay, it's very dangerous. If it goes inside the processor or chipset or GPU, it will destroy. So you always have to avoid. It comes from the uh, original company, or some it is also sold. You can also use on the CPU or GPU, but you always be careful. It should not go anywhere else. Like on the GPU, there the capacitor, and on the capacitor, if it comes across the negative and positive, so it will be shorted. Now the scenario is that uh, I have uh, I have checked many things, but I found here the problem area. Let me come to the direct solution, that what is the actual problem. Let me inject it and have a look on my DSO. So as you can see here, this is the mark of since it is on the single mod. So once again I could show you from the both side, from the inside and outside. So VCC-IO is the last sequence uh, before VCC-SA. Okay, so as soon as my VCC-IO is generated and its power good, would be responsible to generate VRON, and then VRON will release, the core IC will release DR on, driver IC on, and then PWM will go into the PWM IC, and then it will initialize and it will generate PWM, which we are going to check on the motherboard. This is the location of our uh, PWM area, okay, of VCC-SA, and let me turn on the motherboard. See, merely this pulse is coming. It indicates it indicates so many things that our PWM has started. There is no need to change core IC, there is no need to change your driver IC, because it is generated due to some reason. Maybe CPU could be short, maybe CPU is leakage, or VCC is a MOSFET is leakage, or something like that. The problem is a scenario, it's telling you that it is condition of the leakage or short circuit or something like that. Now on the output, if you see the same scenario around, you are going to get uh, let me turn off and again let me turn on. See, merely I think 5 millisecond per division is there in, not even, it's very rare time. I think in the nanosecond it is, for the nanosecond it is generated. Now what could be the possible reason? So now come to the, here is the guy who has sent it to us. He has worked a lot, so many things he has done. Also this IC is replaced, it seems like that. CG, I think this is the IC which is known as NCP 531. I think what is this, let me see. It is NCP 81253. Okay, so I am not going to change it again. I will check its value. Okay, its value. So what should be the value? Around 10 to 12, in the very good condition, around 15 to 20. So the least condition I am required like 10 plus at least I should have. Now let me check it. So it is 11.98 ohm, around 12. So we can say it's good. And this is the load resistor, this is low drive, this is high drive. High drive must have 19 volt. You must check also this one. You just inject the power and set your multimeter on the voltage mode and check that all the time you are getting voltage or not. Yes, you are getting. Turn on. Sometime 19 volt can trip. No, it is load, you can see, but 19 volt is still present. Good. Most of the time we have seen that due to 19 volt missing, the voltage cannot be stable. That is why I'm making it confirm. High drive condition cannot be short, and it is not short, it seems, but let me check it. Good condition. Okay, source to gate, not short. Good. Drain to source, low drive, 13 ohm. As from the ground, it is, the coil is having value, the same value you will be getting from here, 13 ohm. Good. Good. And load resistor, see, it is having 2.8. It's very dangerous. Load resistor is something which decide that what load is passing through, what amount of current is passing through. I hope that the CPU should be safe, because this is the load resistor, and like if win resistor is shorted, then no matter, maybe that IC is short, hardly. This is the load resistor, which across this resistor the voltage and the current is passing through through it, and the higher amount of current could damage the register. The higher amount of current might have passed through this register and it reached to the CPU. I'm hoping inshallah it will be okay, but let me replace this first. Okay, so go back. I'm thinking that the metal paste has gone inside the CPU, because many area I have cleaned, but I cannot uh, take out that metal from inside the CPU unless I remove the processor. 1R0, 1R0. I have to search 1R0. I have got 1R5, not 0, in the Dell Vegas motherboard. Let's use it. If it blown up again 100%, your CPU area might be faulty. Not might be, I'm sure that that is the faulty. If it is blown up again, the high amount of current, if it allows to pass, it will blown up. Now let me check the value. 1.4, 1.3, good. Inject the power and let me bring you to DSO. I kept it here, turning on. Same scenario. Now I will check again. The value is same, good. So I will change both, because the pulse is coming in on the both gate. That is why I'm getting voltage here. Maybe any one would be leaky, so I'm going to change the both of VCC SA MOSFET. Okay, high and low both. So let me take it from small one. Okay, let me take it from here. The low one, first of all, I will sorry, this one. load drive. The value is okay, but it is blown up. It means that high amount of current has passed through the coil. I'm taking the MOSFET from the RAM area from the Dell motherboard, but before using you should match MOSFET VDS ID, the continuous drain current. Also you must check its IIDS, that is the also the resistor inside the MOSFET. So many things you need to check before replacing. RDS, that is the RDS you noticed on the schematic of any MOSFET. RDS, what amount of resistor will be there after switching on the FET. Oh, what happened? It has touched. I have no idea. I was talking to you and by mistake. Go to your place. Both is done. Now this is the last hope. Put it here. Turned on. No, the load is bit high, but I don't know why. Once again, let it be cool, because the ampere was going very high and high. You see here. I turned on. Let's keep on increasing. Something went wrong here. So I have to match that where was the capacitor and where was the resistor, because it is moved from its place after replacing. I just come back. Now I have set all the required component which was missed by mistake. Now the scenario is same I fail. Yes, I'm turning it on. The same scenario. VCC SA is dropping. So I have no option here. I have a core IC, but it is not similar. This is the NCP 81215D, but I have without D. I was searching this also without D. I think it will not work, but once I will try it. Let's see what does happen. I have never used it, but I am using it now. I have no option right now. I have to race to my office to get this IC, and which is possible tomorrow. So inshallah we will continue this case study, the same case study. I will let you know the proper way to find out what exact is the problem. Because load has a problem that either the core IC has sent the high load or PWM IC, but PWM IC I don't think that is faulty. I think this is the right way. Now let me fix this. I think somebody has already tried this. IC removed quickly, very quickly. Yes, it is done now. I don't think that it should work, because both are the different IC. But if you don't have any hope, then you are ready to do anything. Now my target is the very same. Now I'm turning it on. Now, but load is not proper. Load, you can see. Let me check its voltage. The VCC SA voltage. It is open. SA voltage is generated, but no core. Core is still missing. I don't think that this IC will support, because the number could be differ. I hope that after replacing the same IC, this case could be done. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video. And if you are interested to join our course, you can opt our online as well as offline course. And if you have any trouble in your laptop, you can contact me for repairing. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.